Water is like a home to me. As soon as I come into contact with water, I feel in my element. I feel somehow at ease. I've been surfing since I was a kid. The shallow movements of the sea, that calmness, and then the energy that is suddenly released when the waves break and hit the land. You feel the flow. You can really sense how they carry you along, give you strength. Each wave is unique. There is only one of it. It's always something really special. And then there is a feeling afterwards. You are somehow totally fulfilled and satisfied. Simply happy. You realize that you don't need much. The reduction to the essentials. The thing you really like should be with you every day.